When selecting an inkjet printer for your home, it is crucial to choose one that offers optimal features and performance. A high-quality inkjet printer not only delivers exceptional prints but also ensures a reliable and efficient printing experience. With its impressive attributes, such as producing vibrant colors and sharp text, an inkjet printer can be a valuable addition to your home setup that enhances both productivity and convenience. To discover the ideal inkjet printer for your home, start by conducting a thorough evaluation of your specific needs. Take into account the kind of printing you will frequently perform, whether it involves text documents or photographs. We have listed the top 5 best inkjet printers for home use printing in 2024 and their dominant features so you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each inkjet printer in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the Epson EcoTank ET4760 wireless printer. The Epson EcoTank ET4760 wireless printer is an excellent choice for home use in 2024. It features revolutionary cartridge-free printing, allowing users to save up to 90% on ink costs compared to traditional cartridges. With replacement ink bottles included, you'll have up to 2 years of ink supply, ensuring uninterrupted printing. Each replacement set can print up to 7,500 black pages and 6,000 color pages, resulting in significant cost savings and reduced waste. In fact, it's equivalent to about 80 individual cartridges. The printer is designed for maximum efficiency, and it has a 250-sheet paper tray and a 30-sheet auto document feeder, so you won't have to refill them constantly. Plus, setting it up and navigating through options is a breeze with its 2.4-inch color touchscreen. It can automatically print, scan, copy, and even fax on both sides of the paper, saving you time and boosting productivity. With precision core technology, you can expect sharp and vibrant color documents in no time. The Epson EcoTank ET4760 offers exceptional connectivity, enabling wireless printing from tablets and smartphones. With Wi-Fi Direct and Ethernet capabilities, it provides a wide range of options for seamless connectivity. Its compact design, measuring 13.7 by 14.8 by 9.1 inches, makes it a versatile and powerful addition to any home office setup. And if you like this color printer, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is Canon PIXMA G620 All-in-One Printer. The Canon PIXMA G620 All-in-One Printer is crowned the reigning champion in the quest for the top home inkjet printer of 2024. It effortlessly merges intelligent features, impressive page yield, and exceptional print quality. By enrolling in smart reorders with Alexa, managing ink becomes hassle-free, ensuring a seamless supply without the need for subscriptions. The Megatank High Page Yield is a revolutionary product that allows you to print an impressive 3,800 4-inch by 6-inch color photos with just one full set of ink. With a low-cost PER print of approximately 2.5 cents per 4-inch by 6-inch color photo, the PIXMA G620 is the perfect choice for cost-effective home printing. Its standout feature is the 6-color dye-based INK system, which includes red and gray inks, resulting in prints with a wider color gamut that truly pop. With a maximum input sheet capacity of 50, the PIXMA G620 is equipped to handle a variety of printing tasks. With dimensions measuring 17.6 by 19.1 by 10.1 inches and weighing only 17.4 pounds, the Canon PIXMA G620 All-in-One Printer is a practical and valuable addition to any home office setup. It secures its position as the second best inkjet printer for home use in 2024, offering an ideal combination of efficiency and cost-effectiveness. If you're interested in this Megatank photo printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 3 is the Epson Workforce Pro WF4820 inkjet printer. In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable and affordable inkjet printer is crucial. That's where the Epson Workforce Pro WF4820 inkjet printer shines as the top choice for a home office or small business. This 4-in-1 powerhouse combines Wi-Fi convenience with professional quality printing, scanning, copying, and faxing, making it an essential solution for high-volume business tasks. The WF4820 utilizes precision core heat-free technology to deliver sharp prints with an impressive resolution of 4800 by 2400 dpi. It offers remarkable speeds of up to 25 ppm in black and 12 ppm in color, efficiently handling documents of various sizes, from small 3.5 by 5-inch cards to large 8.5 by 47.2 banners. With built-in Wi-Fi, wireless connectivity is effortless, enabling seamless connections to mobile devices through the Epson Smart Panel app, Apple AirPrint, Mopria, and more. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen enhances the user experience by providing quick navigation and control. The WF4820 printer enhances efficiency with automatic duplex printing and ensures the security of your sensitive documents through comprehensive security features. It is equipped with a 250-sheet standard input tray, a 35-sheet ADF, and an 8.5 by 11.7-inch flatbed skin unit with a high optical resolution of 1200 dpi, delivering sharp images and copies. If you're interested in this wireless color inkjet printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the Canon PIXMA G2270 all-in-one printer. The Canon PIXMA G2270 is an all-in-one printer that has a sleek and efficient 3-in-1 printing solution designed specifically for home use in 2024. With its integrated ink tanks, the PIXMA G2270 offers exceptional page yields of up to 6,000 pages in black and 7,700 pages in color, ensuring worry-free printing without the need for frequent replacements. It boasts a printing speed of 11 IPM for black and 6 IPM for color, ensuring swift and efficient document production. It is also equipped with a 100-sheet rear tray, and this printer provides ample paper capacity to meet various printing needs. With its innovative keyed nozzle design, this printer ensures that each ink tank is accurately filled with the corresponding color. This exceptional feature enhances user convenience and eliminates errors during ink tank replacement. Additionally, it is equipped with a 1.20-inch segment LCD screen, providing an intuitive and user-friendly interface for effortless operation. Its compact dimensions of 21.9 by 16.4 by 10.6 inches make it a perfect addition to any home office setup, while its lightweight build of 13.2 pounds ensures easy maneuverability. The Canon PIXMA G2270 all-in-one printer establishes itself as a dependable and effective inkjet printer for home use in 2024, thanks to its USB connectivity, single-sided printing capability, and a host of user-friendly features. If you're interested in this mega-tank all-in-one printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 5 is Nego Canon Wireless PIXMA Inkjet Printer. When it comes to top-notch inkjet printers, the Nego Canon Wireless PIXMA is the unrivaled choice for home use in 2024. This remarkable printer boasts an impressive printing speed of October 15 IPM, ensuring efficient and swift document production. With a generous total capacity of 350 sheets, it is well equipped to handle larger printing tasks effortlessly. The Nego Canon Wireless PIXMA boasts a remarkable feature: its time and resource-saving auto two-sided printing capability. With this functionality, the printer automatically prints on both sides of a sheet, reducing paper usage by up to 50% and eliminating the need for manual page flipping. With dimensions of 18 inches in depth, 9 inches in width, and 17 inches in height, the Nego Canon Wireless PIXMA inkjet printer seamlessly combines a compact design with powerful performance, making it the perfect choice for home offices. With its remarkable 15,000-page duty cycle, this printer stands out by including a jumbo ink cartridge that reduces the need for frequent cartridge replacements. Moreover, its Energy Star certification ensures energy-efficient operation, promoting an environmentally friendly printing experience. This combination of features not only enhances convenience but also contributes to a more sustainable and efficient printing solution. If you're interested in this wireless PIXMA inkjet printer, check out the link in the description box below. After reviewing each of the top 5 best inkjet printers for home use in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.